Greetings, welcome to another day of Autoforge development. Today we worked on getting tile interaction working. So I'll show you what that looks like and then we'll look at the code, see how it was put together. So we can click on tiles now, and if we click 3 times, we destroy a tile. And I had a problem for a while where if we let an item sit around for a little bit and then we try to collect it, it would actually crash. Which is always fun. Like, wait, why? Ended up being some garbage collection stuff, and I needed to rework a few things. But yeah, so we can destroy the tiles and we can also place them down. You can see it shows a little preview that locks to the tile grid, and you can place the items down. So that's cool. Very simple interaction there. Right now you can't interact with the back wall. That's fine. You know, the back wall doesn't really have much functionality or like purpose besides just being there and kind of giving a little bit more depth to the world. So yeah, that's the tile interactions. So we got our item interactions. You know, we can actually interact with the items, open up this gold chest, displace. I don't think we have support for displacing placed items. So maybe that's something else that we need to add in. And then we have all the tile interactions as well. So let's take a look at that. So what I ended up doing for these tiles is I refactored our realm code a little bit, so that way we have this thing called a realm tile map. And that kind of wraps our tile map that is defined in the engine and allows us, so the realm itself only has a single like variable for or field for a single layer or tile map. And within that realm tile map, we have the actual tile map that's being represented you know, in the game engine, and so that has all of the tile data as well as like, you know, rendering and everything. And we add on here this damaged section. So this is more like gameplay specific stuff. So how I was kind of thinking about it. So we have the, you know, the engine side of things should have engine-y things that could be used across all games, and we don't have any gameplay in there. On the script side, we want to actually have gameplay logic, and I feel like being able to damage tiles and displace them and everything, that's more gameplay specific. So we have this huge update function that handles recovering the tiles, so that way we don't have it to, like, if you go around clicking on each tile once, we don't have this huge array of like damaged tiles that we're always tracking. Most games will actually only track the latest tile that you were hitting or something along those lines. So if you ever like I don't know, I think Terrarium might do this. Maybe. But if you're like targeting one tile and then switch over to another tile, that first tile immediately, like, you know, recovers to full durability. So we didn't do that for Korea. I think that works out. What instead we do is just, you know, have some timer, and once that timer expires, we then just remove it. We say, okay, this is fully healed now, or recovered. And then we also handle if it's been fully destroyed, which we can go over there. And so this will actually destroy it if the durability is less than or equal to 0. We will decrease the quantity of that tile, and then if the quantity is 0, We then will just, oh, here it is. We will then, you know, just completely remove that tile. We also create a dropped item at the tile location. And here's the logic for damaging it, which is this, hey, how much did you damage it for? Let's go ahead and remove that from the durability and start tracking that tile position. And then, excuse me, on the interaction side of things, all we have to do is show some preview here whenever you have some tile that you're wanting to place. And then the last bit is whenever you click to place it, we handle that right here, checking to make sure that's a valid position and it's empty so you can actually place the tile there. And that's it. That's how we get the tile interactions to work. It's pretty easy. Well, that's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all next time.